Ankita, you were supposed to make your debut with Mr. Bansali's movie and now this movie. Both have a same vision in terms of grandeur. How has been the experience of working on this movie? And do you think it's a perfect Bollywood debut for you?
First of all, thank you, Kamal sir, for this. This is my debut, and I'm super excited. I'm super nervous too. And this is something, whatever is happening right now, it's something very new for me. So, Kangna and Kamal sir, thank you for this journey, and thank you for this trailer, and thank you for everything. But yes, मतलब जहाँ तक आपका सवाल है, संजय सर के साथ डेब्यू का मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन या आई वॉज अबाउट टू डू अ फिल्म विद हिम. और जहाँ तक कंपैरिजन करें मणिकर्णिका एंड जो भी संजय सर का जो रहता है, I think I don't know if there is any kind of a thing which is perfect debut. It's up to you. जो आप करते हो उस film में वो आपके लिए perfect होता है. So in this film, whatever I have got, I gave my best, and I think I have got the bestest from Kamal sir and Kangna. She has directed me, and that's the most beautiful thing. So I'm really thankful for everything. That's it.
Kangana, firstly, congratulations for the trailer and your debut as a director as well. Your movie is seen as one of the most awaited movies of 2019. The movie would be clashing with Super 30 and Cheat India. What are your thoughts on Clash?
I think we, yeah, I think.
So I think right now Cheat India has announced, we don't know about the status of Super 30, but we truly believe in the product that we have created and spent a lot of, a lot of sleepless nights and a lot of hard work on it. And the film will stand on its own merit. I mean, really, whether it's one film we come against or 10 other films, we really are playing this on front foot. As I said, it's, it's going to be a massive release. And I mean, we wish the best to all the films which are releasing on that day. But we are extremely confident of our own film.
Yeah, मेरा प्रश्न सुरेश.
Hyderabad ABN Andhra Jyoti. It was a great moment, Kangna, that after seeing a trailer, really being a woman, I want to stand and give you a great, like, just want to do something, like a clap or something.
Thank you so
Big
much.
congratulations, really. It's a proud moment. Ma'am, we are very happy that this movie is coming in Telugu also. So after this, what next? Like, can we see Kangna ma'am working more for Telugu movies and she can be a director? And we are happy that as a director also we want to see you in more projects. What do you have to say about that?
Well, I was telling my sister yesterday that, not, I don't know what is it about me that I really love working as a technician. No actors want to be out in the sun as opposed to be in the AC van. No actors want to be among sweaty 80 people who are asking you, like 100 questions. No actors want to be doing recce when you can simply be in your luxury suite. I don't know what is it about me that I'm so comfortable in this job that there is nothing I love more than directing. Even though I don't get to wear makeup, even though I sort of don't look like my star self, I don't get no special treatment. And it is absolutely a worker's life, to be honest. But there is something so amazing about this job that I don't know why do people even consider it a job. It is just so much fun. I mean, I think acting is more like a job, but directing is just like having fun. I hope I get more chance to do this, and I hope I continue doing this, and this seems like my first love.
And it's a dream come true because always you were wanting to do this role, I know. For 4-5 years, there was in your mind. So dream come true?
Yeah, so like I said, like a lot of people tried to make it. And before Kamalji, there was another producer who had come to me. I worked on that script for 2 years as well. And then we didn't get a producer with that director. And that didn't materialize. So I've had a series of setbacks with this. So see, eventually, that's why I said today is really a special day, because we've made it.
Before the next question, can I please invite Nishant to join us on the stage? Thanks, Nishant. Thank you. Yes, our next question, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jaideep, और हम चंडीगढ़ से आए हैं. पंजाब में बचपन से ही शहादत और बहादुरी की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं, जैसे गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी. तो ऐसी कई स्टोरीज हैं जो हमें इंस्पायर करती हैं. अगर रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की बात करें, तो इस फिल्म से पहले आप कितना लक्ष्मीबाई को जानती थी, उनके बारे में क्या समझ थी आपकी, और फिल्म के बाद क्या सीखा, किस तरह का आपका परसेप्शन है वो डेवलप हुआ?
आई थिंक ऐसा कुछ खास फिल्म के बाद सीखा नहीं है, क्योंकि उनके फोकलोर्स इतने ज़्यादा वो थे. मैं मेरा हर एक डिपार्टमेंट को यही ब्रीफ होता था, चाहे कॉस्ट्यूम हो, चाहे म्यूज़िक हो, चाहे वो भी हो, कि जो उनकी लेगेसी है वी जस्ट हैव टू मैच अप टू दैट, क्योंकि इट इज़ टू लार्जर देन लाइफ, नथिंग इज़ गुड इनफ, यू नो, क्योंकि इतनी ज़्यादा उनका जो हीरोइज्म के जो किस्से हैं, चाहे वो फोर्ट से जो जंप मारना घोड़े पे, उसको करते करते हमको नानी याद आ गई, सच में ही नानी याद आ गई, बिकॉज वो फोर्ट से इतनी ऊंची दीवार से बच्चा पीछे बांध के जंप किया, वेदर हर एक्शन, it just seems that nothing is good enough, जितनी उनकी image है. So I think even if we live up to the image, it's good enough.
हेलो कंगना, या ऑन योर लेफ्ट जी. जैसे ये फिल्म का एक डायरेक्टर जो होता है वो फिल्म का कैप्टन होता है, कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप होता है. तो ये फिल्म शुरू में जब हम लोग मिले थे तो क्रिश डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे, बाद में आपने उसको कंटिन्यू किया. तो एक विजन जो था उसको आगे बढ़ाना कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा, क्योंकि एक विजन के साथ फिल्म चल रही थी, फिर आपने उसको आगे बढ़ाया. एंड कमल जी, ऐसा मतलब क्या हुआ कि कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप ही फिल्म छोड़ करके चले गए, या उस बीच में जैसे चले गए?
ऐसा नहीं था कि वो बीच में छोड़ के चले गए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. बट बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंड इज़ कि उनके पहले से कमिटमेंट थे दूसरी फिल्म के, जो कि वो भी शूट कर रहे हैं, एंड NTR की बायोपिक. और दिस फिल्म हैज़ टेकन मोर टाइम देन व्हाट वी एंटिसिपेटेड अर्लियर. So he had no time, so he had to go for the other film. And that point in time when we saw the edit, we thought, okay, this definitely it's a very good edit, but we always wanted 10 on 10 because this is Rani Lakshmibai. You can't compromise on this. It is once in a lifetime you're making this film. So we thought that we will definitely want to reshoot few things. We want to shoot more. We wanted to,
As far as the creative aspect is concerned, I think I would really like to give credit to the writers who see, the script never changed from the day one. When Vijender sir narrated the script to me in my house, I was clapping and I was absolutely exhilarated with what he had narrated. So I just had to take their vision forward, which I could interpret, because I think after this, I think 60 to 70% film is what I have shot. So it's not that I had to take somebody's vision forward. I can have my own vision with the material that I was given, which was always the same. So I didn't see any obstacle like that, but yes, it is definitely much more difficult to step into somebody's shoes rather than doing your thing from the beginning. It is definitely, I think if I direct a film again, that will be much easier than this one for sure.
Kangana, hi, I have two questions. One is, I'm Pankaj from Urban Nation. One is, how difficult or easy was it to direct your own self in your first film? And the other bit is, this is a female, a film with a female lead, and it is releasing on a festival day, and it has that patriotic feel, and you are also directing and acting in it. So how is that? I mean, how are you feeling? Are you nervous, excited?
Well, I'm absolutely excited, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने इस फिल्म पे इतने सालों तक काम किया है, and it is a bit difficult not to be directing yourself, but इतने सारे costumes के साथ में और jewelry के साथ में मुझे हमेशा monitor से भाग के actors के पास भाग से monitor के पास, so वो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था कि मुझे इतने सारे कपड़े पहन के डायरेक्शन करनी पड़ रही है. बाकी other than that, if physically it was not inconvenient, it would have been absolutely gratifying, but it was gratifying indeed. But like I said, those physical obstacles were the probably only thing, where hair and all of that, and you're directing and you're sweating and everything is just sort of falling apart, and you're running to 10 actors to give 10 instructions. That was the most testing part. Other than that, I think I had really amazing cast, always laughing, joking, and having fun. So that was really nice.
And about having the release on the Republic Day? About releasing the thing on Republic Day and you directing?
That was something that, I have sort of had that ambition that I wanted to come on this day. For that, I have driven everybody nuts. Ask Kamalji, the VFX team, it's literally like a battleground in the VFX studios. And Sharik sir, they all know I've driven everyone nuts for this date, because we could have done everything with a lot more ease. But then, literally, we were literally ghode pe the. So, that's all. Any other question for cast members? The last two questions we'll take for cast members.
Suresh ji.
जी. हेलो.
Yes.
Ankita, you're towards your left, straight, just here.